What's up guys, everything in one back here with another video. So this is the newest smartwatch from the company Xiaomi, the Amazfit GTR, launched recently in China. As you can see, the device comes with a variety of features, and the most important, a very long-lasting battery that the company claims can last up to 74 days, which is extremely impressive. The watch also comes with support of Bluetooth, as well as built-in GPS for mapping, so let's quickly check what we get inside this package. Removing the lid, you will find the device itself, which looks a lot like a casual watch. So let's take this out and have a quick look on the new Amazfit GTR. So here's the device itself, looking pretty good. This is a budget fitness watch, and it is suitable for youngsters. It has 3 case option: stainless steel, aluminum, and titanium. It also has 2 different case sizes, measuring 43 and 47 millimeters respectively. The display here is quite big enough, and the build quality is premium. The strap over here is well stitched, and seems to be made up of leather. Over the back, there's a heart rate monitor, which can automatically track heartbeat at regular intervals without requiring involvement from the user. The weight of the device is very less, making it comfortable to wear. So the device comes with a 1.39-inch AMOLED display, which is a colored panel, and it is really vibrant. So the device comes with a very beautiful interface. Swiping up, there are some basic features: brightness control, flashlight, battery saver, and more. So the features are very similar to the Mi Band 4, like the impulse checker or the steps checker. The watch also comes with Alipay for quicker payments, so it has NFC too. So it has 7 different modes for different activities, like swimming, running, walking, weightlifting, and even skiing. That's great. Your every sports activity will get stored in sports record mode, which is great. Also, it has 410 mAh battery that can survive more than 70 days, which is impressive. So you can check the pricing details of the device in the description. So this is it. What you think of this device, let us know in comment. Thanks for watching. Get subscribed to our channel for future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.